may paglabag dun sa last election.
Yung mga tao when they needed it most. Alam nyo yan, kung may nawala o hindi. I cannot say this in the halls of Congress. You know why? Nobody will believe me.
Magandang araw sa atin lahat mga kababayan po natin. Kasunod ng aligasyon na umano'y namili ng boto ng mga taong bayan doon sa Cagayan Province, itong si Gobernador Mamba ay nagkaroon nga ng pagdinig dito sa House of Representatives. Ngunit imbis na sumagot itong si Gobernador Mamba, imbis na mag-attend ito at harapin, sagutin itong mga aligasyon laban sa kanya, ay hindi ito sumisipot. Kahit pa ilang bisis na ito pinadala ng Sapina, kung ano-ano pang request na kailangan niya umatid upang sagutin at magpaliwanag. Dahil nasangkot na rin pati itong bumburadyo. Dahil hindi siya sumisipot sa pagdinig sa House of Representatives, pero nagsasalita siya umano sa radyo mga kababayan po natin. At itong panibago na pinakita nga ni Congressman Lara ay patungkol sa kanyang mga sinabi na umano'y binabayaran na ang korte at ang kumilik. At ang gumagawa umano nito ay itong nasa pwesto. Tila ba binabaliktad niya at pinaparinggan niya itong mga kongresista na ngayon ay namumuno sa pagdinig dito sa House of Representatives para alamin nga kung totoo nga ba at kung sino pa ang mga posibleng nasangkot sa nangyaring vote buying kung saan ginamit ang pera ng taong bayan at ipinalabas na ito ay ayuda lamang. Ang bistado nga dahil paano naging ayuda kung ang binibigyan ay mga botante lamang.
As a permission just to show and be allowed to play some videos just to apprise and for the appreciation of the members of this committee, the Joint Committee of Public Accounts and Authorized Electoral Reform. Some
Yes.
videos only.
Before you proceed.
Mr. Nara, yung congressional inquiry, dalhin mo ako sa Congress. Para pag-usapan natin about buying ng Cagayan.
Libre lahat yan. Ang dami ring mabibili. Mabibili mo ang desisyon ng korte, ang desisyon ng COMELEC, ang desisyon ng kahit ano dito, kaya mabili.
Please palakasin yung video
That
lang,
is
yung
why
sound niya. Pakiulit
those
yung
who
una.
benefit from all
This
of
was,
this-
Mr. Chair, this was just taken nung Monday lang. Nung kasagsagan po, nung mag-start tayo ng hearing, yan po ang mga statements ni Governor Mamba. The previous two videos were the challenge being given by Mr. Mamba to us or for us to investigate him. And it's very unfortunate na hindi po siya nagpa-participate dito. And of course, there's an open admission, no, narinig naman natin sa video, na kulang pa nga yung pinakalat niya. So ito po, para lang po maliwanagan, last Monday, when we are deliberating or hearing these cases or itong mga issues, no, against the governor, ito po ang mga pinagsasabi niya last Monday, Mr. Chair. Yung flag raising nila, yung flag raising.
Ang dami ring mabibili. Mabibili mo ang desisyon ng korte, ang desisyon ng COMELEC, ang desisyon ng kahit ano dito, kaya mabili. If you have the money. That is why those who benefit from all of these things are those in power, especially those elected officials. And they're, of course, they're minions in the bureaucracy. Look at us. Oh, pinapatawag tayo lahat doon sa Kongreso. Ako raw ang bumili ng boto. Ako raw ang bumili ng boto. Alam nyo yan, kayo nag-distribute ng pera. Kayo ang tumulong sa mga tao when they needed it most. Alam nyo yan, kung may nawala o hindi. Alam nyo kung nakialam ako sa pag-distribute nyo. Alam nyo kung meron akong pinapirma dyan na hindi tao. Dahil tayo, nandun sa graphics. Ang pakiusap ko lang, huwag iboto ang mga kandidatong bumibili ng boto. Because I try to solve problems, not only for myself, but for this nation. I cannot say this in the halls of Congress. You know why? Nobody will believe me. Everybody will hate me because all of them there, or mostly all of them, are vote buyers. They maintain themselves in power because of money. Next time na yung Zumba, wag mo na ngayon. Ilang minutes na yung Zumba? 5 minutes. Gawin mo 3 minutes lang Zumba, okay? Kasi ikot na tayo.
Nakikita naman natin yung attack ni Bamba. Of course, it's very clear here yung during the deliberation of all the issues raised here in the committee, it was clearly stated here, no less than by the COMELEC, no, and of course the COA who are here up to now, na may paglabag dun sa last election, and it was proven and it was stated by Director Torres, no, director ito during the time na election, no, na ang government funds walang kategory kung government o galing sa bulsa. ang pagpakalat ay parehong vote buying yan. So it was very clearly stated, Mr. Chair. Ngayon, ito na yung sinabi niya na naman na lahat mababayaran. Ang tanong ko na lang, Mr. Chair, sa COMELEC, sino kaya nakikinabang sa ano ng COMELEC ngayon, no? Having Mamba said na nababayaran, ang tagal ng decision ng COMELEC and all the cases filed against him. So that's all, Mr. Chair, before we will vote on yung contempt po na move last hearing. Thank you very much, Mr. Chair.
We get the explanation reply of the 11 ordered chokos by this committee last Monday. Let the chair, we should rule first on the continuous defiance and absence of Rogelio Sinding. Yung nakita nyo kanina sa video, yung anchor doon sa programa sa Bombo Radio is Rogelio Sinding, the attack dog of the governor of Cagayan. Now,
Mr. Chairman,
yes, Chairman Roberts.
may I ask the chair to please repeat the adjective that you just mentioned? Who is the person?
Rogelio Sinding,
And he is?
the attack dog of the governor.
Thank you.
Anyway, thank you. Pinariterate mo lang. Anyway, now we should the committee should rule on the continuous. Hindi nga. So we should rule on the continuous absence and defiance of Mr. Lisending. And since we have the both committees has established a quorum, do I hear a motion in regards to the status or the continuous absences of Lisending?
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
before the chair would rule on the motion, may this representation know whether invitations to this mentioned individual has been issued by the two committees,
Yes, Chairman Akop.
and the proof of receipt has been submitted insofar as these invitations are concerned.
Mr. Chair, Chairman Akop, since the provincial administrator has acknowledged and will in fact represents D12, and that includes Relay Sinding. So in short, the provincial government together with the D12 has received. That's why yung 11 nandito, Mr. Chairman. Chairman Akop.